Belief follows proof. Affirmations sound good. Evidence is what actually changes belief. Good morning and welcome back to the Inner Ledger. Many people try to change their beliefs by repeating new thoughts, positive statements, affirmations. Sometimes they feel uplifting, sometimes they feel forced, and often they don't last. This is because belief does not change through repetition alone. Belief changes through evidence. In the inner ledger, belief is not an idea you choose. It is a conclusion you reach. Your mind is constantly reviewing entries. What you do, what you finish, what you avoid. Each action becomes data. When affirmations contradict evidence, the mind trusts evidence. This is why saying I am disciplined while skipping commitments creates internal friction. The nervous system notices inconsistency. Belief follows what feels reliable. Evidence does not need to be dramatic. In fact, small evidence is more powerful. One small promise kept is worth more than 10 promises spoken. This is how belief stabilizes. When you act in alignment, even briefly, you generate proof. Proof reduces doubt. Doubt drains energy. Over time, repeated proof rewrites identity. You no longer try to believe something new. You simply recognize what is already true. This is why the inner ledger emphasizes action before affirmation. You don't tell yourself who you are. You show yourself. If you want belief to change, don't ask what you should say. Ask what is the smallest action that would create evidence today. Then do that. Let the ledger update itself.